Hello friends, my today topic is inner join. Inner join is the most important join in MySQL, which have answers of many questions we really want from our database. So we have with us the market fact table which we have used in previous exercises. This is a central table market fact form, and we have four another dimension table which have product dimension, shipping dimension, customer dimension and order dimension. Let me consider if we want some data which is related to product ID and order quantity, which is a part of market factful table. If we want any data which is the part of only one table, it is really easy to retrieve that data, to get that information. But when we have such kind of tables interconnected differently, and we want some information from there. See, if we want product ID and various dimensions, various attributes of products related to, then we connected we want any connection between product ID and this product dimension table. We want various attributes of our product table, product dimension table. Then what is going to happen? See, there are we have different products ID here P01, 02, 03, 04 and 05. But in market factful, we only have P03, P05. First thing, to connect with two tables, the most important and desirable condition I am thinking that it should have, if there are two tables A and B, either should have foreign key in B or B have a foreign key in A. So here product dimension have a foreign key here. So if but this one table have only information about product 03 and P05. So if we want to connect the data, if we want to extract the data, if we really extract this information, then by join we can only get the information about product P03 and 05, because this is the only common thing here. As I told you in my previous class, we can get only the information about the attributes, about the quality which we have common here. So if we put a join between two, we can get the information about 03, 05, about all the attributes of the 03 and 05, but we don't get any information about P01, 02 and 03. So this is an important thing here. Two tables from where we want to get the information, we want to extract some information, there should be a foreign key relationship there. Okay. So there are, if any of the table we want any connection, this is very important thing. Like here is the order ID, and here is also order ID in order dimension table. If we have some attributes, obviously we will have, if we will have any attribute common and we want some information extra, want to extract from there, then there should be a foreign key relationship here. Okay. And you can easily understand from here that inner join represent the intersection point which we talked about in our last class of two tables. Inner join represent the output, like if we put this into a query of inner join, then it will get the information about the common attributes on the column or rows on which we are putting the join. So there may be a different type of connections here with different attributes. Like customer name, we can, if we want details about customer name and customer address, then we should use only customer dimension table. If we want details of shipping ID, ship date, then we can get the information from shipping dimension. So in our database we have multiple tables interconnected. Depending upon the information we require, we have to write down our query. as we write it down query and the database or tables has a connection, it put a right query, then they get we can extract the information from there. I hope you understood how to what is inner join and how it works. Inner join is the join from by using it we can extract the common information of different attributes where foreign key relationship exists between two tables. Like here, product ID, here P008, P05 are common in both product dimension table and market factor. I hope you understood the topic in advance. Thank you so much.